Hello glass industry, it's Mark from Glass Open Book, and in this video I would love to draw your attention to Hotwork International company. They have been providing heat up and other services since 1962. No wonder the company is operating in 65 countries. On glassopenbook.com the company is presenting both products and services, and I will tell you about the service that Hotwork International is providing since 1962, furnace heat up. Their special heat-up technology is based on the use of Hotwork International high-velocity burners, operating on an excess air basis, which have been especially developed for the heat-up of all types and sizes of glass melting furnaces. The system has been developed to ensure that precise temperature control of hot gas emissions from the burners can be regulated at all stages between 60 degrees Celsius and 1200 degrees Celsius, simultaneously eliminating hot spot and stagnant areas within the furnace. The Hotwork International technology permits temperature uniformity with the glass melting furnace of ±3 degrees Celsius. You can learn more about the company's services on glassopenbook.com. That's been it. Support our channel by pressing that subscribe button. I'll catch you later. Take care.